You know, I wanted to record something in my car, but sometimes it's a really tight squeeze in here to get a good shot. So in order for me to show you what it is I'm trying to show you is a little bit of how at night, so if I was going to do stealth camping, how I would try to hide the back seat area by hanging up a curtain, which was basically the plan. So what I thought was, if you just took, like, let me see if you can see my car. If you take the space, let's see, between the two seats, if I just ran a tension rod up against the wall here to the other side. But the problem is these are at an angle. So since it's angled and not a flat surface, it's kind of hard to do a tension rod. So what I ended up doing eventually was actually putting a hole in the liner of my car. So let me show you right here. This is the hole that I put there. So of course, I don't want anyone to give me any grief that I've somehow now damaged my car, but I've had this car for like 10 years now. So, you know, this car's mine, it's paid for, so be it. I'm going to poke a little hole there, you know, that's what I ended up doing. And so I did that on both sides. So over here, you can see there's also another hole. And so then this way, I basically could run a curtain rod from hole to hole. So I will show you kind of what that looks like. And then basically hung a black curtain. Black so that if anyone looked into my car, it kind of, you know, is kind of like dark and shadowy and you can't really see. So what I'm going to do is with these two little holes that you see here, the one that's right here in the liner, I'm going to show you what it looks like with the curtain rod installed. So first I put the curtain rod up. Then I added the black curtain. Now in this case, I really just used a black sheet, but you of course could go and purchase curtains, or you could just buy a piece of fabric at the fabric store. This was easy to shut and open anytime I needed to. Now here I wanted to show you what it looked like me getting into the back seat to show that you can't really see me very well with the curtain. But I think because of the reflection and my dark tinted windows, you really can't see what's going on inside the car here. So here's an inside view, kind of a before, and then I'll show you the after. Here's after with the curtain up to give you an idea of what it looks like. And of course it is beneficial to have dark tinted windows on a car, that way it's not so easy to look and see what's going on in the back seat. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.